Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell items on Farmville 2. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Farmville 2 game on your device, and if you're playing for the first time, you will be taken through the basic tutorial. From the tutorials, you will be taught how to plant crops and how you can harvest them. Use the field to plant your first crop, and once the crop is grown, you can tap on it and it will be harvested. Once you have enough harvest, just tap on the seller board and you will see various different items that you can set for sale. If you have enough items, then you can tap on the sell button and it will be sold right away, and you will gain the reward as well. You can continue growing crops and continue to sell them to reap your rewards. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sell crops within the Farmville 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.